All right, ladies and Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Nissan Sentra. It is the SV model, this beautiful gray with black interior, premium sound system, steering controls, 22,000 miles. Super nice. Best of all, minimum damage on the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks great. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty damn nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see, hubcap. I don't see any curbing. And your tire thread, if I can get this stick in there, is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty damn nice. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. And your tire thread looks like under 730 seconds. Let's look at it again. Under 730 seconds, just at 4. It's got a heavy scratch here. See 3, 6, 9, about 9 inches right there, as you can see. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, you power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Jump in here, turn it on for you guys. Push start system. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Turn on the lights here. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera, POW. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 22,276. Pretty much complete the tour. Let's open up the trunk. All right. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around. Rear bumper, look, the rest of the rear bumper looks good. This deck lid looks nice. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools. And then I tucked away your owner's manuals back here. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. And your tire thread. Yes. Under 430 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front door here looks good. Front passenger seat looks good. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks pretty nice. Got some scuffing. Yeah, got some scuffing here. See 3, about 4 inches right there, as you can see. And here's your rear passenger, your front passenger hubcap. And your tire thread here is over 730 seconds. Lights are working, folks. Car looks good. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2017 Nissan Sentra SV model with 22,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.